Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started a Tekla Structural Design tutorial series, and this is its second lecture. And in our previous lecture, I have shown you that how we'll edit our model setting, and also how we'll provide design code unit, and also how we'll define material. Okay, so steel material and concrete material, how we'll design that. Define that. So in this lecture, I'm going to show that how we'll draw the construction, or beam, column, slab, or anything, and how we'll draw the S3 level, so according to our plan. So first of all, here I will open my software. So here is the software, and in previous video I have forgot something, that how to save a project, what we're working and how we'll save that. Just simply click here, save, and here select your library. So I'm selecting in library, then document, so std2, okay, School of Civil Engineering, then save. It's done. So after that, we'll go here to draw the construction level. Okay, so to draw the construction level, we have to go here, model, then construction level. Okay, so after going model, then go to construction level. Okay, so here you have to understand something. They have TOF, SSL, and TOS. What is that? So at first you have to know that this is the TOF means top of foundation. TOF, it means top of foundation. Then SSL means structural slab level. SSL means structural slab level, and TOS means top of steel. Okay, TOS means top of steel. So for that, we'll go here. First of all, top of slab, top of foundation, as we'll consider that as base. So first of all, we'll click here, insert above, and after that we'll go here, top of slab level. Okay, so here structural slab level, we'll select that, and we'll give here our data. Okay, so what will be the slab level? Suppose if we consider our slab to slab level, floor to floor distance will be 11 feet, then give her feet sign, then 11 feet, and just see here, it's also, this is the level and this is the spacing, both are same. So for first level it's done. Then we'll we have to, after giving that slab to structural slab level, after giving that structural slab level, you just have to click here, insert above. Okay, insert above. So you have to click here, then insert above. And suppose you need to insert that in below, you can also click here, insert below. Okay, so here you can click here, insert below, otherwise you have to click here, insert above. So just click here, this is for our this base, this is for first story, this is for second story level. So just see here our spacing, one floor to another floor spacing, one floor to another floor spacing is 11 feet. But if I show you from close, so here one floor to another floor spacing is 11 feet, but level, so from 0, our first floor level is 11 feet, and our second floor level is here, we're seeing that our second floor level is level 22 feet. And again, if I go here, insert above, then just see here 33, 34, 35, and you can insert any level that here. Just the important thing is this represents the floor level. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, 5. So how much build how a story building you want to design? So to suppose I want to design the 5-story building, So after giving that value till 5, then you have to press OK. Okay, so we have done our level drawing. I mean, we have completed our level drawing. And if we see here, just click here level, just see here base 1 2 3 4 5, and just if I show you one thing, construction level, you can also change that name. Okay, suppose this is base, this is the reference, and this is base, this is suppose ground level, ground floor. Then if we go here, this is, sorry, it's 2, and if we go here, it is second floor. If I control, I mean if I copy that, control C, 3 are the third floor, FL floor. Then if I go here, fourth FL floor, and after that fifth floor. So just it's done. And here they have one thing. Suppose the source. What is the source? I mean, if you give it unique, and if you give it unique, the every level parameters will be same. I mean, it will take, when will insert above or below, insert above or insert below, then it will consider its, I mean it will consider its a level by taking the data from its previous level. Okay, previous level. But suppose you need to use source, so if you need to value take from the base, so you have to give base. If you have to take data from 2 3 4 like that, then it will be works like that way. So in that way you can give it. And also you can give it your slab thickness here. You can give it your slab thickness also here. So if you give your slab thickness here, it will draw slab automatically. I mean, it will take its slab thickness. But I will not give the slab below here. I will give the slab below when we'll draw our slab. So after that, there have new at the bottom. Suppose you need to draw any data here at the bottom, you can do that. And now suppose you need to delete any line for 4 5 6 7, any line you need to delete that. Just select that from here, select that any one, and suppose if I insert above, suppose I have insert the 16 reference, then I need to delete that. Just select that and click here delete. Like that way you can done that. After that, suppose new on top, if you want that I will create a line new on top, then you can click here. Okay, so suppose they have a line, and if you want that, I will create a reference below that line. So that's why I mean, in that time you have to click here insert below. So if you click here, just see here it's 4.1. here is the another level. So if we click here and delete that, in that way we can do everything. So after that we have to press OK, and just see here our floor level have been changed. Okay, our floor level have been changed. So in this way we can draw our structural floor level. I mean, what will be the floor level in, I mean, what will be the value of one floor to another floor. Okay, so in this video I'm going to finish here, and after that just will click here save, here save, or directly press Ctrl plus F by Ctrl plus S. It will also save your model. Okay, so in that way we can draw our level, I mean construction level, and in with respect to that level we'll draw our beam, column, slab or anything. So it's done till today, and if you think that is helpful for you, and if you're a civil engineer, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get our video every first. And also there in this channel there have many video available, so you can watch that and like our video, like, share, and also leave a comment to our video. Your own like and your own comment inspires for the next one. So thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected till next video.